Do you want to achieve a clean, good-looking and professional setup to catch the eye of more and more corporate clients? Or you simply just purchase an iPad photo booth not knowing that you cannot print directly from the iPad since there's absolutely no way to do it? You are not alone. I felt the exact same way 2 years ago when I tried to put together my first DSLR iPad photo booth. And even if you just have an iPad booth and you want to offer prints, we do have the same problem. In this video, I will show you the most reliable way to do it while keeping a clean and sleek setup that helped me work with the biggest brands in Paris. This is what you will need. First, a professional printer. In this case, the DNP DS620. Then an Aircast Pro 3, and then a USB power bank, then a USB to USB-C cable, then a printer cable, and finally your iPad. Out of everything I just listed, the Aircast Pro 3 is the only one that you are not already using on a daily basis. So what is it exactly? It is what we call a print server. And its role is to create a local network where you can connect any device, iPad, cell phone, computer, anything, and still be able to print with zero cable. Remember, your iPad just has one USB-C outlet, and that one is already used to connect both camera and iPad together. So the only way to print is to use a wireless connection. I do know that this might be overwhelming for you since all you want is a booth that works. And that's why you will find a link in the description where you can book a one-on-one consultation with me, and I will solve any problem that you might have, like I did with more than 50 students in the past. And if I can't help you, you get your money back. It is that simple. Our first step will be to connect the Aircast Pro 3 to a power outlet. If you have a power bank, just like me, go ahead and do it. The setup is going to be clean and no plug-in to a wall needed. If you don't, you can just plug into a wall. That will also work. I'm using a power bank to achieve that good-looking wireless setup. Second, you want to connect your iPad to the Aircast Pro Wi-Fi access point. Simply go into your Wi-Fi settings and look for Aircast Pro. The password to get connected is Aircast Pro. You want to avoid capital letters. Now let's just pause a minute to fully understand what we did. We connected ourselves to the Aircast Pro Wi-Fi, which means we do not have access to the internet anymore, and we will not be able to share pictures via QR code or email during events. But don't panic yet. I will show you later in this video how to still have access to the internet while using the Aircast Pro. Let's move to step 3, which is simply going to your web browser, Safari, for example, and type this address or just aircastpro.local. Access the general settings page. This is where the magic happens. And if you still want to be able to have the internet while printing wireless, click the Wi-Fi address at the top left of the general setting page. Select your network from the list and enter your password. That network can be anything. It can be the venue's network, you can share data from your phone, etc., etc. But bear in mind that it cannot be coming from your own device. What I mean when I say that is that even if your iPad has cellular data and you have a SIM card inside, you will not have internet since the Aircast Pro is taking over. You must connect yourself to the internet through the Aircast Pro. Now, let's connect the Aircast Pro to the printer. All you have to do is to connect the printer cable and turn the printer power button on. The Aircast Pro will automatically find and install your printer. And that's it. You all set. Now let's print 1 or 2 pictures. But before I keep going, just know that if you have a problem with your printer that you can't solve or your photo booth is giving you issues, feel free to book a consultation call with me. I've been in this business for more than 5 years and I love helping other people. I also got an incredible photo booth overlay offer that will help you streamline your processes and focus on what matters most, your customers. You will also find a link to my free newsletter where every 2 weeks I will send you everything I learned from this business and that I am putting into practice now to get more bookings. And if you haven't subscribed already, feel free to do it now. I'm just getting started in the US market and I hope we can build this shit together. There are a lot of resources in the description of this video, so feel free to take advantage of all of them. Now, very important, you want to select the right printer giving the size you want to print, and you can also see the amount of prints left. Keep in mind that you have to change paper and ribbon at the same time. Otherwise, you will get lost trying to count what is left. I'm pretty sure that what the Aircast Pro sees is the amount of ribbon left, not the paper. Feel free to let me know if I'm wrong in the comment section. You guys let me know what the next video should be about. I can do it all, so just let me know what is the most frustrating thing to you in this business right now, and I will be more than happy